We are now looking at the primary cutting line, where the chilled pork sides arrive on these suspended rail conveyors.
As part of the full process, the seasoned pork mixture is pumped into hydrated casings along the automated stuffing line, ensuring high throughput.
The freshly linked sausages are transferred onto the hanging racks, moving toward the next processing zone.
Inside the pork processing factory, from farm to sausages and ham.
The automated injection machines ensure every cut is perfectly prepared before moving on to the curing tanks.
After injection, the hams are moved into the stainless curing racks, where they begin their journey toward the tumblers.
Inside the pork processing factory, from farm to sausages and ham, full process.
The tumbled hams are discharged from the drums into wheeled stainless curing bins. This is a crucial...
Inside the pork processing factory, from farm to sausages and ham, the full process.
Bay 3 is clear for the Texas shipment.
Copy that, moving the ham pallets in.
Samples are logged and cleared within the quality control system, the final verification step before full-scale distribution.
We have a temperature alert on refrigeration unit 4.
Acknowledged. Rerouting the ham shipment to Dock 2 immediately.
All right, you're good to go. Clear on the left. Check the throughput on the sausage line, batch 7B. Looks stable. Yield is up 2% from the last run.
The updated targets are live on the main board. Review the throughput data here on the tablet.
Got it. Looks like Station 4 needs support.
Efficiency metrics are strong across the board. I'm adjusting the ham yield target for the next shift.
I need a torque wrench for this connection here.
Be careful, that sensor is sensitive.
Final checks complete. Safety mechanisms engaged.
Verified. We are clear for production. Look at the gauge on the main boiler. It's fluctuating.
I'm opening the bypass valve now. Keep an eye on the pressure differential.
Attention all teams, this is a drill. Proceed to your designated muster stations. Over. Sector 4 accounted for. Drill concluded.
All right, everyone, gloves on, get to your stations. Line 2 starting in 30 seconds.
Look at the throughput metrics here. The green trend line is stabilizing.
Yes, the adjustment to the automated cutting sequence worked.
This specific vacuum seal near the dicing area seems inconsistent. We need to verify the batch integrity.
Understood. I'll initiate a spot check immediately.
We've verified all checkpoints. The documentation is complete.
Understood. Resume full production on line 2.
The flow rate on line 3 is slowing down.
Check the diverter gate settings. Palletized products move through these temperature-controlled lanes, undergoing automated verification to ensure quality before export.
Utilizing advanced digital scales and precision rejection gates, the factory ensures every ham portion meets strict weight standards before packaging.
Here we see the sausages and ham portions being precisely placed into their trays before moving on to the sealing stage.
The throughput on line 3 is slightly lower than expected. Check the palletizer alignment. It might be causing the bottleneck.
Inside the pork processing factory, from farm to sausages and ham.
Confirming the intake flow for the ham shipment.
Looks good. All lanes are allocated in the system.
We need these sausages on cart 3 immediately. The shipment leaves in 10 minutes.
Roger that. Moving them now.
The current sausage inventory is slightly below projection.
Yes, but the ham shipment arrived an hour ago. We are stable.
Inside the pork processing factory, from farm to sausages and ham.
Inside the pork processing factory, from farm to sausages and ham.
Everyone got enough ham?
Yes, thank you. The kids are loving the sausages.
They're the best part.
The culmination of our process, perfectly smoked ham and artisanal sausage, ready to be enjoyed.
Look at this brand name. Inside the pork processing factory.
Yeah, that's certainly descriptive. Is this the ham or the sausages?